Stop! Today I'm going to be doing my fresh makeup look routine. Okay, so let's get started. For me, I don't like to wear a lot of makeup, but I also feel I look like dull when I don't. You can see the under eye circles. So I'm just gonna get started. First, I need some chapstick. I'm gonna use this eyebrow gel. Half of the stuff is for my Ipsy bag. Clean up my eyebrows. I'm gonna take this NARS concealer and put it under my eyes because, you know, dark circles are not playing around today. Put that there and then dot it on any other spots. Blend that in. Honestly, when I'm doing this, I really focus on my eye area because of how mean my under eye circles are. So the main thing, why does my hair look crazy like this, is taking a very light foundation. The one that I use, I absolutely love it. Taking this, I don't use a lot at all because I just want to, you know, even out my skin tone, and then taking a moisturizer and mixing it. That is what I think is the game changer. So I'm done this layer. I feel like I need to add a little bit more. I will. I'm going to use highlighter. Put some here because, you know, you want that nice glowy glow face. And I just take my finger and blend it. I'm also just adding this lip oil from my Ipsy bag. Let me do one more thing that is so helpful, is spraying one of these. See, look at that. I don't really add mascara when I'm doing this because I just don't. Literally take some Vaseline, like, and then put it here because they're so dry. And then I'm gonna take a tiny dot and just go over my eyelashes just to make them, you know, look like they're doing something. And it makes them look nice and hydrated. So that's really it. So that is all. Thank you for watching. I will be back in my next video.